I used to struggle with insomnia, tossing and turning every night. Then, I learned about how animals use their biological clocks to regulate sleep and behavior. Inspired, I started aligning my sleep schedule with natural light cycles. I woke up with the sunrise and dimmed lights in the evening. Gradually, my sleep improved and I felt more energetic. This simple change taught me the power of nature's rhythm. If animals can thrive by following their internal clocks, so can we. Try syncing your schedule with daylight and see the difference it makes.